Hello, Dr. Irvin here. I'm talking about a subject which I think will interest you and it will help you as we dive deeper into vitamin C and some of the effectiveness. But I want to alert you to a second channel. You might want to subscribe to this channel, but there's a second channel for controversial subjects, and they're kind of go in tandem because there are issues. Yesterday, a professor at a medical school had her post or taken down by by parties' interests, and so it does happen. So I will be having. I don't want this primary channel taken down, so I have a second channel. The first link in the description below, will take you to my discussion of vitamin C and some suggestions that I have, and I'll leave it at that. So you might want to go to that channel. It's actually not a link; it's a URL. YouTube doesn't like you to link out. They make you copy and paste. So that's just a process issue. So today's topic is about vitamin C and how you may diminish the effectiveness of vitamin C by taking sugar. Sugar competes with vitamin C. Now we need sugar, we need vitamin C. Excess sugar competes against and thwarts the effectiveness of vitamin C, like a teeter-totter. Well, that's excess sugar. For when you have excess sugar, the body, the cell, inside the cell itself is unable to make a structure, or less able to make a structure called a phagosome. A phagosome is like a vesicle, a bubble that goes out and gobbles up bacteria and debris and viruses, and they take them outside the cell and get rid of them. When you're less able to make phagosomes, you're less able to get rid of viruses and bacteria and toxins, etc. Second thing is that vitamin C affects a shunt. A shunt is like in a rail station, you have a rail and you can shunt one direction, shunt another direction. So you make a choice. I guess you can go straight ahead, but a shunt is that kind of apparatus. Now in the body we have an HMP shunt. The HMP shunt helps the body make RNA and DNA, and that's important when you want white cells. And white cells fight bacteria and viruses, and so yes, you do. You want those white cells around. However, sugar thwarts the HMP shunt in the way that we want for white cell production. So those are two negative effects of sugar. So you might want to see, you say, well, what about sugar? Well, you need to be on a sugar budget. Sugar is everywhere. It's not only just in the crystal sugar that you may or may not. I don't add crystal sugar to anything. And but there's sugar everywhere. You might have a drink that has 20 grams of sugar, so you need to be on a sugar budget. Oranges have sugar in them by way of fructose. Glucose is in the sugar of oranges, and on it goes. But oranges are a little controversial because they also have fiber, so I'm not going to get into that. But you need to be on a sugar budget and know where your sugar is coming from. There are things that change into sugar. So remember, when you're taking in sugar, you are diminishing your vitamin C. And if you're not adding vitamin C, you're diminishing the vitamin C from your diet, which is otherwise your only source if you're not taking supplements. So get on a sugar budget, subscribe to my channel below. Never make changes to your medical regimen without first consulting your healthcare provider, because this information is for informational purposes alone. I hope it helps you stay healthy, and subscribe to this and the second channel.